Hi everybody, it's Chasey Poo, and today I am so excited because I'm doing an unboxing for Peecock Prosthetics. So the way these unboxings works is I'm gonna unbox it. I haven't looked at it before, I don't know what it looks like. And I'm gonna take a look at it, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then you ask me questions on things that you wanna see in the actual review that I will do in a couple of weeks. Also, I know I haven't filmed videos in a hot minute, and I'm so sorry, but I now have a very exciting product to showcase, and I'm very excited to actually do the review for you, so let's open the box. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in. It's redacted because of information. If you don't know Peecock Prosthetics, I would take a look at their their website. They're one of the original prosthetics company that made like a 3-in-1, which is packing, peeing, and pleasure. And I think that their products have been very innovative over the last couple of years. They've made like moving skin, and they're not always perfect, but they have some pretty good stuff. They even have like a really good just like regular packer that's very squishy. Let's take a look. I'm excited. I know what this is, okay? I know what this is. They sent it to me 2 days ago and I got it today. And I was like, I need to record a video right now. So I know what it is, but I have it. I don't know what it looks like inside. Ooh, okay, we got a little harness and a little clip over here. Very interesting. This kind of looks like the clip from Morme, which I will be reviewing soon. They're sending that to me as well, so excited to see what that looks like, but let's take a look-see at what's inside. I am so excited. I am so excited. I know, the anticipation. All right, this is what it looks like. All right, and I know it doesn't look like anything super exciting. It's just a packer, it's just a prosthetic. It looks very realistic. I need you to understand that I've been waiting years for this. I have been waiting years because this prosthetic inflates, which means it can go from packer to erect, and you don't have to put in a rod, you don't have to change a harness, you don't have to do all these other things that are like really annoying and very dysphoria inducing for some people. I'm so excited. All right, so this is what the back looks like. I watched the video before so I can figure out how to like actually inflate this thing, because I have never had an inflatable dong before. There is another company that has an inflatable, and that is Tyrone 3, I believe is the name of it. It's in Europe. It's very expensive, like $3,000. You can't really have access to it unless you've like ordered it before, and it's kind of like a I've tried to review that product for years and years, but they don't do that. So, all right, so here's the back. So I'm gonna take this out. I'll do like in the review, show you exactly how it works and how everything is done, but oh my God, are you ready? I'm so excited. I have tears in my eyes. Oh my God. Because the head is also a little bit harder. Okay, there it is. Wow. This innovation is like, I know that the Bionic by Prosthetics that they've been trying to work on for like 5 years now, nothing has really happened. I don't know what's happening with that. I wish I knew, because that's exciting, because that was supposed to be a pump, but I have it in my hands right now. This is what it looks like. Okay, let me bring it up to the camera before I have a full... All right, so this is what it looks like. It's very realistic. The balls are big, but it makes sense because there's like the pump is in there, the air pump, whatever. It is squishy. It doesn't feel like a dual density where there's like an inside that's like harder, but you know, just kind of show you what it looks like. The skin kind of moves a little bit, and then to deflate it, let's see, you press this, yeah, and then oh that looks a little, let me add a little, there you go, little there you go. It doesn't look so flat. So this is just a prototype. Apparently they're not like finished, but they did sell a couple to some people to like give them feedback, but I just wanted to come out here and just show you what it looks like because I'm so excited. There's the harness too. I don't know much about the harness and how the harness works. Interesting. So that will be in the, what the the actual review, and please, if you have any questions about this prosthetic, anything, literally, I will do anything you want with it just so that I can actually give you a proper review. I will post it on my OnlyFans and my Fansly page so you get like other views of it like being inflated when it's like actually on you and things like that. Whenever you want, you put it in the comments and I will do it. This right here is groundbreaking in this community. I don't even know how else I can explain that to you. I've been in this community since like 2005 and prosthetics were just not like this, and I know I've been very blessed that companies send me things and I get to review them, but I'm telling you, this right here changes the game for a lot of people who don't like, or it causes them dysphoria, to have to change their prosthetic, to have to add a rod in their prosthetic. This is a penis pump. It's a penis and you pump it. This is what the inflatable erectile devices that they put in like cis men who have erectile dysfunction or issues with their wieners. It's a similar kind of mechanism, not the exact same because there's no like reservoir with water and saline, whatever. It's different, but it's very similar, and I feel like this is so exciting. It just does it. Okay, anyway, I don't know if I'm overreacting. Am I overreacting? Let me know in the comments below, but I'm super excited. Thank you, Peecock, for sending this to me, and I will wait a couple of weeks for all the comments to come in and the questions, and I will review it right away. All right, have a great day. See ya.